What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Fix It Fisher. I'd like to welcome you to my bathroom, or as I like to call it, the relaxation zone. Unless you have 6 kids, and then every time you sit in the decompression zone, every single kid in your family is going to have an issue that they have to ask you about at that exact moment. The reason we're here today, the other day, I noticed that whenever someone would flush this toilet, I would notice that the toilet would keep running just a little bit longer than it should. And so I wanted to check it out, and I wanted to show you what I did to fix it today. And let me just say this first. To all you parents, all you adults out there, I cannot stress the importance of having high quality toilet paper in your home. There are some things, especially when you have a family of 8 like I do, that you have to cut corners on. We get that. But there's some things that we can't cut corners on. The Lord is going to get His through tithes and offerings. The electric company is going to get theirs because I want my house nice and cool during the summer and nice and warm during the winter. And the toilet paper that we get, I'm not going to cut corners on that either. I prefer cottonelle with the ridges so you can get some extra grippage in there. There is one caveat though. If you have kids, it doesn't matter how cheap the toilet paper is. Okay? You can get them the Angel Soft or that Scott 1000 sheets per, that's so thin it looks like you laid greasy chicken on a napkin for an hour. It doesn't matter. My 4-year-old will take a roll that looks like this and make it look like this in just a matter of minutes. He'll be in the bathroom for 20 minutes and I'll walk in and his hand will be like that. And I'll look in the toilet and it'll be all clogged up and there's no evidence whatsoever of it. Let me roll this back. I'm going to need this later. Comment below. Let us know what your favorite toilet paper brand is. What other channel can you do that, huh? Take the top off of the tank. And that is disgusting. Okay. Well, I don't even know if this stuff will come. Oh, wow. All right, note to self, clean toilet tank before filming YouTube video. I want to come up here and take a look. I don't know how many of you have actually looked at the inside of a toilet before. You pull the lever right there, and then the water starts to fill back up. And you see here, this float is going to come up. And as the water is filling back up, we see that the lever right here is going to go back up as well. And then the water is going to stop right about there. There you go. And you see how this float is sticking up out of the water. Well, what it was doing the other day was it was hanging out right here. And you can hear, though the water is draining in there, it just keeps running and running and running. And so I checked this, I inspected this, and everything seemed fine on that. And so I just tried something right here. Is see this little screw, if you'll zoom in right there, it seemed a little loose, so all I did was I just took my screwdriver and tightened it like that. And that was the only issue that there was, seriously. And so if you ever have any issues like that where your toilet is running, try that out first, see if that works. Also, on a side note, I've had to replace these levers before. They are a booger to get in. So be very careful because they are easy to break when you're trying to slide it in all the different grooves. Be very careful when you are installing it so that you don't break. There's also some different links that you can buy at the store. So make sure that you're getting the correct length. Right? Thanks for joining us again today on Fix It Fisher. Comment below. Let us know what topic you'd like to be discussed. If you want more toilets, we got tons of toilets in the house. I can do that. But if there's another topic, feel free to comment on something that you would like to see fixed. Okay, we're going to edit that part.